in Melbourne, Australia, and went to Chef Janie's to learn how to make chocolates. First thing you do is temper the chocolate.
There's a line so that you get crispy, shiny, snappy chocolate. So it's melted to this temperature so that you melt out. There are good crystals and bad crystals in the chocolate formation. And at this temperature, all the unwanted crystals are melted out.
The chocolate comes in buttons.
So it comes in little buttons. So I'm going to add a quarter of that weight into there, and that should temper it. So it will lower the temperature and also melt the chocolate. So I'm going to stir it for about 5 minutes. And this will...
So now with the stuff that was in there, was that originally these things?
Yes.
Balls?
Yeah.
Chef Janie drops it back in the heater and keeps stirring.
So it'll take about 5 minutes to this chocolate to melt.
She has an industrial dryer to speed it up.
So this is a polycarbonate mold. So I've gone through with a little cotton ball bud and polished all of the insides of this. Because if you have a fingerprint in there, you'll get a fingerprint on your chocolate. Yeah. So the first thing is to polish it.
To get color on the chocolate, she dabs and brushes it in the mold.
This is a metallic powder, edible metallic powder. So I'm just going to do one just plain and then some.
She dabs and brushes.
So you basically put whatever you want.
You can.
You can also use cocoa butter and create patterns.
Cocoa butter that you can kind of swish in it, so you can make patterns, you can pipe patterns in. Now it gets a very thin layer of chocolate on the outside. And this will help the chocolate be shinier.
This is the first step.
You do dump it in the later.
Now she's using a different technique to fill the mold. She doesn't skimp on the chocolate. She taps the mold to remove all the air and settle the chocolate. Scrapes off the excess. Again, to get the chocolate settled and all the air out. She dumps out the rest of the chocolate. That leaves a shell to put the filling in. A quick flip and a final scrape.
And then you end up
Now
with
it
this
sits for a while.
situation here. Very cool.
Then you're ready to fill them. Chef Janie used a chocolate ganache in ours. Then she puts a layer of chocolate to seal it in. And one more quick scrape.
And whiskey.
Chef adds a decal to the bottom. She presses it down. This transfers right on the chocolate.
And so this transfer is
It's all edible.
cocoa butter soluble. Haven't quite got enough chocolate.
Turn it over to release the chocolates.
Yeah. I did half dark chocolate and half milk chocolate, just so that you can. Sometimes you don't like to know whether to do milk or dark, so just going to give it a bit of a bash.
They came out fantastic. The colors were great. Nancy was patiently waiting. I couldn't wait any longer. A glass of red wine and chocolates. What a combination. And what a way to spend the afternoon. Chef Janie's chocolates were some of the best we have ever eaten. We gave her 5 stars. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.